When the indoor unit displays EL0C, that indicates the refrigerant leakage detection error. The failure could be caused by 1. T2 coil temperature of evaporator error. 2. Indoor main PCB error. 3. Refrigerant system error. Troubleshooting for refrigerant detection leakage EL0C. Shut the power off and turn it on 2 minutes later. If the error still exists, check if there is cool air blowing out from the indoor air outlet. If there is cool air blowing out, check whether T2 sensor is well fixed and measure the resistance value of T2 to ensure the sensor works well. If the error still exists, replace the indoor PCB. If there is refrigerant oil on the joint, apply soapy water or leak detector to check if the system has any leakage. If there is any leakage in the system, let out the refrigerant and repair the leakage, then vacuum and recharge the refrigerant. Check the EEV electrical expansion value if the unit has one. Measure the resistance to check if there is any short circuit. If yes, replace the coil of EEV. Measure the output voltage to the EEV. The values should be same as the table. If not, replace the outdoor PCB. If the error still exists, there may be blockage inside the system, especially the capillary. So change the whole high-pressure valve assembly.